Hello! Just before I take the rocker gear off and start taking cylinder head and cylinder off to examine this Petter PAZ1, I thought I'd do a quick update on where I'd got to. So, here we go, let's have a look at this engine. Firstly, the reason why it was, one of the reasons why it was mostly hard to start was because this rack here which controls the fuel is not returning to where it should be. Part of that I think is having its bellows missing, and I have a set of bellows on a spare injector, so I shall fix that. And I've also put on the exhaust, which is a straight through exhaust that came with it, and I found out what was making the horrid noise, which is that bolt there is too long and was hitting the flywheel. But now I've got it so that it starts easy, let's do a quick, put you on a tripod and do a quick crank up. Right, fuel is on. So we should just be able to turn it over and get it started. Wind it over a few times to get the circulation of everything and the pumps primed. And then wind it over fast. Off we go. We've got compression problem. I have to say I'm quite pleased with that. Still got to fix the rocker gear and check the valves and so on, but that does start quite easily now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.